Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed. In today's video, we're going to talk about the GE Dishwasher H2O error code. We will cover what this error means, what causes it to appear, and the best solutions you can apply to fix it. But first, what does the GE Dishwasher H20 error code mean? GE Dishwasher H20 error code indicates that your washer is not getting adequate water or is not getting any water at all, thus impacting performance. The H20 error code mainly appears when you run your dishwasher for the first time when the water supplied to the dishwasher that is located under the sink has been turned off recently, and after work has been finished on the house's plumbing. The following are some of the common causes of the error code. Low water pressure. The water fill stage of the cycle of a dishwasher is on a timer. Therefore, when the water pressure is not high enough, or it's entirely off, your dishwasher doesn't get any water or adequate water during this stage, and it causes the H20 error code to appear. Thus, when the H20 error code occurs, it's possible that your dishwasher's water supply has not been turned on fully, thus affecting the water pressure. Unleveled dishwasher. When your dishwasher is not leveled correctly, it may indicate that the water level in certain areas is low, thus making the H20 error code appear. Now, let us look at the best solutions you can apply to fix the error code. Turn on the hot water valve entirely. Under your sink, find the hot water valve near the dishwasher and make sure it is fully on. This ensures that your dishwasher is adequately filled with water using the best water pressure in the time allotted. Level your dishwasher correctly. Your dishwasher performs best when it's appropriately leveled, and doing this stops water from falling too far back or forward in it. Choose another cycle option. To clear the H20 error code, you can choose another cycle option in your dishwasher and then put the chosen option back to your desired settings. If the above solutions fail, consult a professional technician for further assistance. Thank you for watching.